main, we can jump by using go to label. Okay. Now here, if I am executing this kind of statement, go to label is in one function and label is in another function. I am trying to compile it. See here, I am getting an error. So you cannot jump between function by using go to. Are you clear up to this? Type double S in the comment section. Okay. Coming to set jump and long jump. So it is a solution to the problem of go to statement. Here in the main, we have used set jump function and this is long jump function. Suppose assume that you have not included, just exclude set jump and long jump. Okay, just exclude set jump and long jump in this program. Here this is a function called to a routine, a user defined function, so control comes here. From here you are calling b, so control comes here. From here you are calling c, control comes here. Then after executing c, where the control will return? Anyone? To b or to main? Anyone? To main. To b. To b is the correct answer. So from where you have called, to that statement only it will be returned. So from here, from b you called the c. So after executing the c statements, the control goes here to the previous function. So from here to here, like that only you can go back. Okay. So here for to reach main again, from C I have to come back B, then from B to A, then from A to main. Like that only I can come. But if I want to jump from C to main directly or any function, we can make use of set jump and long jump. So here by using set jump, I am including the statement set jump and long jump in the program. Same set of coding. So by using set jump buffer, I have specified a statement here, then long jump buffer comma 1. Then I am executing this program. Now we are moving to A routine, then B routine, then C routine. Then I have specified long jump. So where I set the set jump statement, to that function the control will return. That is the usage of long jump. So long jump simply transfers control to the function which is having the set jump statement. So control returns here. Okay. So need of non-local jump. So this is useful in situation where there is a deeply nested function calls. So here we have only one, two, three user defined functions. Assume that you have 100 user defined functions. So recursively we are calling these sub functions one by one. So now we are in the 100th function. We want to return from 100th user defined function to main. So then as think how much time it will take. So for to avoid that, we can make use of set jump and long jump. By using long jump, we can directly transfer the control from the 100th user defined function to the main function immediately. Okay, so where you are setting the set jump function to that location, you can directly transfer the control from the function which is having long jump. So that is the need. So for to skip all the intermediate function, for to return directly to the main routine or to some other routine, you can make use of set jump and long jump. So these two functions will work in pair. Set jump and long jump both will work in pair. So what is the return value? When you are calling the set jump for the first time, it returns 0. When you are calling it for the second time, what value you are passing through the long jump, that value will be returned. We'll see an example so that you can understand easily. So here the major use of set jump and long jump function. So this is the main program. From that you are calling function 1, from function 2, then function 3, then function 4. So if you are returning where the control goes to the previous function, to the previous function, to the previous function, then only main. So this is how the functions will be executed. So in the above code segment, we can see that the main function calls function 1, then function 2, then function 3, then function 4. So before calling each function, the caller stores its states, variable, return address, etc. in a stack in the form of frames. So in the yesterday class, I said when you are calling the functions, the variables, that is the argument for the function, and the return address will be stored in a stack area called stack frames. So
So
suppose
suppose
assume
assume
that
that
an
an
error is
error is
occurred in
occurred
the
in the
fourth
fourth
function
function
and
and
control has
control
to
has
go
to
back
go
to
back
main
to main
immediately.
immediately.
But
But
if you we
if you we
can't use
can't
the
use
go
the
to
go to
statement,
statement,
but
but
instead we
instead
can
we
use
can use
return statement. But if you use a return statement, you can go back to the previous function. So if I use a return statement here, it goes to here, to the statement, to this statement coming, the statement which is coming after this function call. So control comes here. Again, it is a return statement, so control goes here. Again, control goes here. Then only you will be returning to the main function. So it will take time. So the demerit of return statement is every function has to return to its caller function to finally reach the main function. So this takes too much time. So to overcome this difficulty, set jump and long jump is used. So long jump directly jumps to the position where the set jump was previously called. So where you have that set jump statement. So in that to that location, you can transfer the control by using long jump. That is the usage of set jump and long jump. So the same program, jump from function 4 to main. So from the main, we have set the set jump function here. Then I am calling function 1. Then from function 1, here function 1 is missing. So from function 1 we are calling function 2, then function 3 we are calling, then function 4 we are calling. So from function 4, just I want to jump to main function. So after executing this statement, the control immediately transfers to main where you set the set jump function. Okay, here is an example without set jump and long jump. So in the main, the execution starts. So first you are printing, I am in main. Then you are calling function 1. So control goes here. What you are printing, I am in function 1. Then you are calling function 2. Control comes here. I am in function 2. Then you are calling function 3. Control comes here. I am in function 3. Then you are calling function 4. I am in function 4 will be displayed. See the output. So first I am in main, then function 1, function 2, function 3, function 4 will be displayed. Then you are printing the asterisk symbol. Then again you are printing I am in function 4. After printing I am in function 4, from where you called function 4 to the next statement the
the
control goes.
control goes.
So
So
from
from
here we
here we
called
call
function 4.
function 4.
So
So
after
after
executing this
executing this
statement
statement, the
control goes
control goes
here,
here.
this
This
statement.
statement.
I am in
I am in
function 3
function 3
will be
will be
displayed.
displayed.
After
After
executing
executing
function
function
3,
3,
from
from
where you
where you
called
called
function
function
3,
3,
3
3
to the
to the
next
next
statement the
statement, the
control
control
returns. So control comes here. I am in function 2 will be displayed. Then control comes here. I am in function 1 will be displayed. Then the control returns back to the statement here. Welcome will be displayed. Then finally main ends. So where you called to that function only it will be returned. To the next statement of that function call, the control will be returned. So that is why you are getting an output like this. Are you clear up to this? Type single S in the comment section. Okay, Ajay. Okay. Now
now
by
by
using
using
set jump and
system
long
and long
jump
jump.
with set jump and
System
long
and long
jump,
jump.
same
Same
program.
program.
See
See
here I
here
have
I have
included the
included the
statement.
statement.
So
So
first
first
main will
main
be
will be
executed,
executed,
I am
I
in
am
main
in
will
main
be
will be
displayed.
displayed.
Then
Then
set
set
jump
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 buffer.
buffer.
So
So
now it
now
is
it is
enough to
enough
know
to know
what is
what
the
is the
format.
format.
We'll tell what is the meaning of this. So set jump buffer. When you are calling this statement for the first time, 0 will be returned. So
So
jump
jump
buffer
buffer
is a
is a
variable of
variable of
type
type
jump
jump
underscore
underscore
buffer.
buffer.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
here when
here
you are
when you are
calling
calling
set jump
system
function for
function
the
for the
first
first
time,
time,
0
0
will
will
be
be
returned.
returned.
So
So
it is
it is
equal to
equal to
0,
0,
condition
condition
true.
true.
So you
So
are
you are
printing
printing
a
a
return
return
point
point
marked. Then you are calling function 1. See the output. I am in main, a
the
return
return
point is
point is
marked.
marked.
Then
Then
I am in function 1. You are calling function 1, so control comes to function 1. I am in function 1 will be displayed. Then you are calling function 2, so I am in function 2 will be displayed. Then you are calling function 3, I am in function 3 will be displayed. Then you are calling function 4, I am in function 4, asterisk symbol, I am in function 4 will be displayed. So up to this you are clear, right? I am in function 4. Then you are calling long jump the same variable. What variable you are using here? The same variable you have to use it here. So long jump, jump buffer, comma, you are passing some value. It may be any value except 0. So here you are passing a value. Long jump, jump buffer, comma 1. So whatever value you are passing here, that value will be returned to this set jump function for the second time. Okay, so here we are passing 1 long jump, jump buffer comma 1. So 1 will be returned to set jump function. So now the condition fails. So it is not equal to 0. So control comes to the else part. In the else part, you are displaying just a return from a long journey. So just return from a long journey will be displayed. Then finally main ends. So where you are having the set jump function, to that location the long jump will return the control by passing this value. It is not compulsory you have the set jump function in main, you can have it in any function. So where you have the set jump function, to that function the control will be transferred to long jump function. Are you clear up to this? Type double S in the comment section if you are clear. Okay, we'll stop it here. We'll continue tomorrow. Take care. Bye.